All right, crew. I know that I'm not going to probably be able to come down and have a face-to-face with you about formal observation, so I wanted to make a quick little video. You're going to receive an email from me today with a spreadsheet that looks like this, and since some of you are new, I wanted to make sure you understood what was required. So when you open up the sheet, you will see the names of my teachers who are in the A category, A1 or A2, which means you have to have a formal observation by the 60th instructional day. And I'm thinking it's the 8th or the 9th, but we're just going to roll with the 9th, okay? So on the first column, it says pre-conference date and time. So you are required to have a pre-conference with me. It typically takes no more than 5 minutes, but you have to bring your lesson plan of the lesson you plan on having me join you and observe, okay? There's no formal template, so you can type out the lesson plans how you normally would, just making sure that you have an objective, a standard stated for that lesson plan, and we'll just talk over the lesson plans plus the portion out of your Marzano booklet that you will be observed on. And each one of you should have gotten that booklet in your box in the month of September, I believe. So you're going to choose your pre-conference date and time, 5 to 10 minutes. It has to be at least 24 hours before your observation. If you want to do it the morning of, like before school, I'm okay with that too. But contractually, I have to give you at least 24 hours to have that pre-conference before your lesson. So you'll fill out a date and time for that, okay? Then you will see two different columns here, the week of October 31st through November 4th, and then the following week, so the next 2 weeks, November 7th through the 9th. You will not have school. We have school on the 10th, but it'll be past that 60th day, and then 11th, there's no school. So there's only 3 days here that we can do it. You're going to choose a date either in this column or this column, not both. So if you would like to do your formal observation next week, you're going to put the date and the time. So if you wanted to do October 31st, which is Halloween, you would just do October 31st at, let's say, 1 o'clock. And you will know that I will be there. I will send you a meeting invite for 1 o'clock on October 31st. It will say from 1 o'clock to 1:30 because formal observations are a minimum of 30 minutes, okay? I usually don't go past that time. So you would choose a date there, and which means you would leave. You would not add anything to this column. So 30 minutes in length. You are required to have a pre-conference. 30-minute formal. If you look in this column right here, these are times that I'm going to be unavailable on the specific day. So if you said you wanted to do yours on October 31st, you see on October 31st from 9:15 until 11, I won't be available because I have some IEP meetings or some meetings scheduled. I can't remember specifically, but these are the dates and the times that I will not be unavailable. I'll be out to Principal Academy on this day, and I have some IEPs scheduled during these times. So check your time against my unavailable times, and it will be painless. It'll be beautiful. We'll talk through all the things. Pre-conference, bring your lesson plan. You can choose next week or the following week. We will have some conversations about the great things that you're doing in your classroom. Thank you so much.